Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about shortcut for sketch and feature. I select offline sketch, normal. We know here are four shortcuts for capture. Press and hold right click button of mouse and move upward. For smart motion, press and hold right click button and move left side. For selecting line, press and hold right click button and move right side. For circle, press and hold right click button of mouse and move downward. For rectangle, but we can select option by pressing a button from keyboard. That button is press S button. Then here all commands of the sketch will be appear. This is select smart dimension, exit sketch, line, rectangle, slot, circle, arc, sketch fillet, spline, trim entities, convert entities, and offset entities. All these commands of the sketch will be appear in by pressing S button from keyboard. Let's create something. Press S button. I select rectangle, center rectangle. Draw one rectangle here. Again press S button. Smart dimension 50 mm, 70 mm. Press S button and here select exit sketch. For applying any feature on this sketch, again press S button and here select extruded boss base feature. Select this sketch. Extrude it up to 10 mm. Select OK. Again I select this face sketch. Press S button. Now I create a circle here. Press S button. Smart dimension 30 mm. Press S button. Exit sketch. Again press S button. Now here extruded cut, fillet. These options are available. We will apply extruded cut and select direction 110 mm. Select OK. Press S button and I select fillet. Apply fillet here 5 mm at all these corners. Select OK. This was the shortcut key for feature and sketch tools. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.